What's up guys? So in this video we're going to be talking about the M7 Pros and how they're some of the greatest earbuds a musician can buy, whether you're doing live performances or even practice sessions. So let's go ahead and cue up the awesome intro. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching here on my channel. My name is DiDio, you're watching the DiDio Show, and today we're talking about the M7 Pros live performance setting and also in practice sessions. So make sure you smash the subscribe button and then also smash the like button as well, because I know you're really going to enjoy this video, and I'm sure you would really enjoy a lot of the other videos I do as well. I put out videos every single Tuesday at 9 in the morning, so make sure you subscribe to get all that scrumptious content. Oh, and everything that we talk about in this video is in the description below, so if you like it, you can go and check it out down there. But let's go ahead and dive right into it. So I've been playing with earbuds for about a year and a half now or so, maybe a little bit more, and I really like it because it takes the place of the big monitor sitting in front of you, reduces chance of feedback, really, if you think about it, and then also just keeps it confined into your ears, and you can adjust the volumes and mixes to however you prefer. So that's what the personal in-ear monitors do, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So we've got in this awesome, which I really do like the case, it's really smooth and professional looking, you know. We've got the earbuds. Now you might first get the package and think, whoa, this is a lot of information and a lot of different things. Well, what it is, you've got the red one with a red dot on it. That goes red is right ear, so because it starts with R. It goes right there, curls around the ear like that. I don't know if you can see it or not. Curls around the ear, and then the left one does the same on the other side. And now I can't hear anything because they're noise canceling. Now you also have to decide which tips you want on your in-ears as well, which you can do that based on size, whichever fits comfortably and what reduces the volume the most. So if you don't get the right size, it might not reduce as much volume, or it might not fit properly in the ears, so it won't cancel out all of the outside noise, all of the crowd noise yelling. So yes, we have these things work really awesome. And I mean, playing on stage, especially with a wireless, then you bring it up your back, and still red is right, and the other color, black, I believe, yeah, black is left. It goes on the back, it's the same, sticks right in there, and then it goes down the back. But you can also send it down your shirt as well, so that way it doesn't get, sometimes with a guitar strap or even a bass strap, or if you're really cool and you've got one of those keyboards, the portable keyboards that you wrap around, I don't remember what that's called. Anyway, if you have one of those, then it's really helpful to put it behind the shirt, because the strap might be pulling on it and it'll start pulling out of your ears. And sometimes you do have to adjust it during a song or whatever. You just like go up and push them in a little bit more. But that's totally fine. But putting it down the shirt really does help with not as much pulling. And those in-ears also come with shirt clips, as well as this little thing. The earbud plugs in right there, and then that one can plug in to the 1/4 inch. So that's really helpful as well. But I got a special package that it comes with this little cable here, and then also this little red box, and also this little red bag, carrying case. This cable is basically just an extension. It's pretty much just an extension, but it works pretty good. It's kind of heavy, but it's kind of like a stereo mix as well, so works really good. Then let's see what's in the little red carrying case. So it comes with a little charging cable for what's in here. Yeah, little charging cable, a small little connector cable, along with the charger here. So we've got the charging cable here that plugs into the box with this side, and then also into your computer or charging station with this side, so that's really handy. But what these cables go to is really cool. It is super cool. Super duper duper cool. Boop-a-doo. It's a tiny little box. It says Indigo. What does it do though? Oh, you'll find out. what it does is it's got two headphone jacks right here, or earbud jacks, so your friend can also plug in as well. You've got one there and one there. So you've got two earbud jacks right here, one there, one there. You've got volume here, right there. There's the charger spot right there. So then you've got this little spot here, which they can go into your phone. That's what the other little cable is for. So you turn on the volume, a little blue light comes on, and you can turn the bass boost onto 1 or to 2, depending on how much more bass you want. And it just sounds awesome, you know, it's like boom, 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 boom. Not that bad, but you know, it's a really cool extra device in the package. And then everything I've also talked about in this video is in the description. It's a package deal. Also, there's one without the extra little box down in there that you can choose as well. But I really recommend getting the little box with it. It's definitely worth spending the little extra money on. But I think that is pretty much it. My favorite in-ear monitors so far. I have gotten Shure earbuds before, and they weren't as good as this, if that tells you anything. I mean, Shure is usually really good with some of their stuff, but the M7 Pros are definitely worth investing in. And it also helps you to hear those little notes in a solo, or whatever you might be listening to that you might not be able to hear just listening with some regular speakers or with some regular earbuds. So I think that's definitely worth looking into. Again, everything's in the description below, and thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please smash the like button. Also, smash the subscribe button. I surprise myself sometimes. And also comment if you have any questions. And remember, this channel brings you fun, family-friendly content every single Tuesday. We've got guitar tutorials, song tutorials, music theory lessons, and product reviews just like this one. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And then also, check one of these boxes right here. Here's the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video.